Hello everyone, this is just Ed. Today I'm going to do a review on this Eufy smart door handle. This is model number C33. So this is for your door handle. This is not for a deadbolt here. It's actually for your door handle. Now you can open this with a fingerprint. There's a fingerprint reader there or a code. There is no camera on this. Now slide this cover up. It is powered by 4 AA batteries. It does come with those batteries. Now here's a switch here. If you want the door to not ever be lock, you're going to slide that. But when it's green, when it's red, that means it's going to lock. See how this, when I turn this, it doesn't lock. But if I come up here to put my finger on it, it knew my finger. Now I can turn the handle and it opens. It always opens from the inside, even when I disable. This is pretty much disabling it. It opens and it opens all the time. Now it is pretty close to a deadbolt. I did have to take my deadbolt out and put a cap here. And you are able to reverse the handle. This could go over here on this side of a door. Now let's try to measure up from the center of that door handle. It's about 5 inches. You can see a typical deadbolt. This was a factory installed deadbolt. Is about 5.5 inches. Sticks out about 3, about 1.5 there. Left to right's 2, same on the outside here, about the same, 2.5 up. Now it does come with a key. You could put a key right here to open it also, and you can also power it up. So say the batteries go dead on the inside, you can give it temporary power with a USB-C cable. That way you could power it up and actually use it. And I've got mine programmed in the Eufy security app that it locks automatically after it closes. After I open it and close it, it locks in about, I think I got it on after 5 minutes of sitting there. It just locks automatically. So I really do like this. This is really nice to use because you're never, all you got to make sure is the door closes. Sometimes with a deadbolt, getting the deadbolt lined up to have a smart lock use it can be kind of tricky. But these work almost all the time because it's just, as long as the door is closed, it will work and lock it. And again, no camera, but you can remotely unlock it and lock it with the Eufy security app on your phone. Hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.